normal reaction is a component of contact force perpendicular to contact surface. If there is any contact surface, then this normal reaction will be perpendicular to it. See, this is a block which is kept on this horizontal surface. Here, as I can say, this red surface is the contact surface to which this body is in contact. So, if contact surface is this, then normal reaction will act perpendicular to it. If I talk about a block kept on an inclined plane, then no doubt we can say this is the contact surface. So normal reaction will act perpendicular to this inclined surface. Say for example, this is a horizontal surface. A rod balances in this sense. If I talk about this end, I am only observing the normal reaction on this end of rod. Then here I can say this is the contact surface. As I have mentioned here, normal reaction is always perpendicular to contact surface. So contact surface here is, for this end, is this horizontal surface. So no doubt normal reaction at this end will act somewhere in this direction, means perpendicular to the horizontal surface. This is the normal reaction here. In previous cases, normal reaction here is perpendicular to incline, and here again perpendicular to horizontal surface. Let us consider one more example. I have taken a surface of the shape English mark, correct. I have taken this example just to show normal reaction at this contact only. So we will later discuss about the normal reaction here, but here we are taking this end only for our consideration. No doubt here contact surface is this one, as this is contact surface, so normal reaction will act perpendicular to it. Always remember in mind that when contact surface can be drawn there, we must take normal reaction perpendicular to it. If there is no contact surface, what is the meaning of if there is no contact surface? Means contact of body is with some edge or a point. Just consider 2-3 examples. If this condition occurs, then normal reaction should be taken perpendicular to surface of body. There is a pyramid, and at the top of this pyramid we have a plant which rests over this pyramid in this way. Now you can see here that there is no contact surface, though there is a contact point to which this wedge is in contact. Now we can see that here a plane of body can be drawn here. So what will we do? We will draw normal reaction perpendicular to this plane of body. If we consider our previous example in which there was a stair and a road was kept What will we do here? We will try to draw normal reaction, this time at this contact. If this contact is taken, you can say there is a contact edge, as we have discussed in past also. What we will try here to draw the plane of the body, which is obviously in this line. Now normal reaction must be perpendicular to it, so I will draw normal reaction perpendicular to this rod for this contact. Here in this case, one contact is with the contact surface, as we had discussed earlier. But if we see this side or this contact into consideration, then this is the surface and this is its one edge. And here edge of the body is in contact with edge of the surface. So it is edge to edge contact, and in this case anybody can be confused thinking of which surface is to consider as plane of body or which contact surface. So what will we do here? We will assume two separate components of normal reaction, one along horizontal and name it just nx, and the other component you can say ny in two mutually perpendicular directions. This consideration is taken here to solve problems related with laws of motion or work per energy, and to apply the laws and to get the desired result. If we do not take these two components, then our answer will be wrong. That's why what I am explaining you here is applicable to get answers or to get solution of a particular problem where this type of forces are involved. Consider one more example. In this example, this is horizontal surface, a particular situation where two rods are in contact with each other at ends only. No doubt, thinking of contact surface here is of no use because there is no particular surface. Here, 2 points of the given two rods are in contact, so this is point to point contact. In this condition also, what we must do, we must take normal reaction into two mutually perpendicular directions. The one component is vertically and other component along horizontal nx. So how to draw normal reaction in these cases is the matter of very much importance, because these are the initial steps to clarify and understand the situation. If we are not able to draw correct set of forces, then the condition in solving becomes more adherence. So these are my suggestions to you, that you must proceed in this way. Surely you will get result very quickly.